What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today, as you can see behind me, we have a A90 Supra, and we are going to be installing a active AutoWerke catless downpipe.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor.
So believe it or not, this is the first Supra I am working on. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and remove the air box in order to access the downpipe. Easiest air box to ever take out. You got one connector here, clamp there, and then pull up out of the grommets. So once the air box is out, you'll have full access to the turbo, the downpipe. I will say, looking at this for the first time, the engineers did a pretty good job at designing this. As the German techs would know, the previous turbo setup sucked. Alright, moving on, we're gonna go ahead and remove the O2 sensors, upper and lower. We'll loosen up those two 13s they look like on that brace right there. We'll come up, we'll loosen the V-band clamp, and then move on to the bottom side of the vehicle. Just to make it easier for myself, I went ahead and unclipped them from the connectors up here, just to prevent from twisting the wires when I go back in. So I'll go ahead and pop these out now. Before I go ahead and loosen up the V-band clamp, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up the bottom. That way this isn't super loose when I'm trying to loosen up that bottom clamp. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Moving on to the bottom side now, you're gonna have a 13mm nut here, as well as the exhaust clamp is a 13mm. As you can see, it's pretty much already loose. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up the V-band, and then once that's loosened, I'll go ahead and slide the downpipe up that way to release it from here. Update. It is now out. I ended up having to lower the exhaust a little more by loosening up the 13s on this brace. You don't have to remove it all the way because there is some more bolts holding it up. So it allowed me to lower the exhaust a little bit more in order to finesse the cat out. So now let's go ahead and get the new one prepped and in the car. Fast forward, downpipe is in, so getting tightened. So we ended up needing two people to help bolt it up at the V-band and then down here. Alright, downpipe is now in. This is tightened down, clamp is tightened down, V-band's tightened, the two 13s are tightened. So now I'm going to go up, put the O2 sensors back in, connect those, and start reassembly up top. Tune time. Alright guys, so as you saw there, we just went ahead and installed, it was a catted downpipe actually, it wasn't catless, on the B58 A90 Supra that's behind me. So as you also saw in the video, we tuned it, but the DME was locked before we tuned it. So we do offer DME unlocking here at German Motors as well. Please contact me or Mo, I'll leave the Instagrams down below, and we can get you pricing on DME unlocking. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, please make sure to leave a like. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.